बच्चे अंग्रेजी बोलेंगे तो आपको अमेरिका में भी नहीं मिलेंगे।
नहीं मिलेगी, सही बात है।
हार्डवेयर वाले को
तिथे
सुना है हम
कसं करू?
हार्डवेयर वाले चलो
आता एक कसं केलं
So, hello, my name is Sheikh Ramiz Raja. I am in 7th standard from Pai Parvaz English Medium. I am in DRA. DRA means Department of Robotics and Aeronautics. So, we have made it a drone. Our team have worked on this and we have made this drone. This drone is a quadcopter. We can call this quadcopter because this is having 4 arms. So first we start building from his frame and we end building using propellers and these balls. We have used a technique that is we have used these balls when this drone lands in the surface it gets shocked, so we have tried to make it a little bit shock proof. So and this is called drone arms. So these are the hardware parts and this is, if I rotate this you will see that here we have fitted ESCs. ESCs are the flight controls, means they controls the motor speeds, and this are called frame chassis where we connect our motor wires and ESC wires. And this is our Pixaw. This is our motor control, means drone pilot, and this we can also call this receiver. It receives the command and give the command here, and it to work on the command which we are giving using this transmitter. This is our fly sky transmitter. Yeah. So this I will explain you. This is our throttle. Throttle means if you arm this like this and if you do upward, this drone will be go upward. And this is our left, right and up, forward, backward. And this is some settings. This is on off button. So yeah, thank you.
Yes, तुम बोलो, तुम्हारा नाम भी बता बोलो।
My name is Zayusan Sheikh. I am studying standard. My school name is Papadar Division.
You are studied in which medium?
Urdu medium.
Oh, yes. Now talk.
हम लोग ये रोबोटिक्स से हम लोग ये 3.5 month से कर रहे हैं और इधर रोबोटिक्स एंड ड्रोन सिखाते हैं और ये हम लोग ने ये बनाया है ड्रोन टीचर्स लोग के हेल्प से एंड हम लोग रोबोट भी बनाते हैं और ड्रोन भी और फ्लाइंग भी करते हैं हम लोग इसकी प्रोग्रामिंग भी करते हैं एंड DRA इज डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रोबोटिक्स एंड एरोनॉटिक्स। हम लोग उधर फिर हम लोग इसकी प्रोग्रामिंग भी होती है, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग फिर अलग अलग चीज़ की प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं और फिर हम लोग थैंक यू।
आज अपनी कोई बच्ची बात करे।
So ये
आगे आओ।
So ये तो सब drones का हो गया, but we all are also interested in robotics. Robotics is a branch of technology which includes everything, almost everything: hardware, software, designing, problem solving, etc. So now we have participated in 2 competitions, in 2 international competitions, which are WRO as well as FTC. We participated in WRO in October, and now we are participating in FTC. So FTC is first tech challenge, where there are very much teams which compete with each other, and it is the biggest competition held, robotics competition held in India. And we FTC में बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं: आउटरीच, फंड रेजिंग, हार्डवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर, डिजाइनिंग, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, एक्सेट्रा. So we have to concentrate on our parts as well as our robots. So we are doing that right now. We have done some outreaches, community services, etc. Thank you.
उधर उनको बताओ, अभी ये बोल दे।
Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Madhi Alfan. I am studying 9th Urdu medium from Pai Parvaz Division. Today I am going to explain you motherboard. This is the back panel of motherboard. This is PS2 port. PS2 full form is personal system 2. We attach keyboard and mouse pin over here. This is LAN port. LAN full form is local area network. We attach LAN cable in this port. This is USB port. USB full form is universal serial bus. We attach USB mouse, keyboard and our USB devices in this port. This is parallel port. Parallel port, in this port we attach dot matrix printers. This is VGA port. In this port we attach our monitor cable, VGA cable. And this is serial port. In this port we attach our trackball mouse. Yes.
Okay, Madhu.
Abhishek from KGA. I am explaining you hardware. This is the RAM. RAM का full form random access number. RAM 5 तरह कहते हैं. DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. DDR का full form है switch mode. Double data rate. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Sidra Basu from Mangalore Girls High School. This is motherboard. This is RAM slot. हम यहाँ पे RAM लगाते हैं. And this is back panel. यहाँ तक ये back panel है. This is PS2 port. यहाँ पे हम माउस की पिन लगाते हैं. माउस और कीबोर्ड की पिन लगाते हैं हम यहाँ. And this is capacitor. ये सब आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये कैपेसिटर है. ये पूरा. And this is register. And this is 24 pin. ATX 24 pin spot. यहाँ पे 24 pins का वो लगाते हैं पावर पॉइंट. And this is our front panel. ये front panel है हमारे. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sheikh Maria Irfan. I am studying 9th Urdu medium from Patharwas division. Today I am going to explain you motherboard. This is the back panel of motherboard. This is PS2 port. PS2 full form is personal system 2. We attach keyboard and mouse pin over here. This is LAN port. LAN full form is local area network. We attach LAN cable in this port. This is USB port. USB full form is universal serial bus. We attach USB mouse, keyboard and our USB devices in this port. This is parallel port. Parallel port, in this port we attach dot matrix printers. This is VGA port. In this port we attach our monitor cable, VGA cable. And this is serial port. In this port we attach our trackball mouse.